This is Nancy. She's very tired. She barely. I was even touching her belly, and she didn't wake up. I mean, that's how knocked out she was. Because I touch her belly, you know how she is with her belly. And right now we are getting ready to see if we're gonna take a bus to the mouse or just wait here. But I think most of us that are citizens are gonna try to go because we just got heard some news that this so-called strike or whatever crisis thing is gonna probably last more than 3 days, and we do not want to be stuck here for the next 3 days. So, for now, we'll have to wait and see what's gonna happen, and we'll see you guys another time. Sẵn là đẹp bé không sầu.
Bạn có thay lại nữa. Bạn câu nữa thế nào? Nó giòn này bạn câu này. Cái lò tập sản nhân là bữa này nó tí hơn người xa dập lông một trong tôi là tí khi này thăm ho bây giờ mình cho blood ten này
khơi lò ua bao tia cũ mò xia ua trâu nè